The following is a presentation of TFNN. The Tom O'Brien Show is produced every business day after the market close. Tom takes your phone calls from 4 to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time using the data available at that time.
Let's go to Lloyd in Texas. Hey, Lloyd, what's going on?
Hey, Tom, good to talk to you. I'm a new subscriber, and I've just recently started watching your TFNN broadcast. It's fun. I'm enjoying this.
That's a beautiful thing, man. I like that Texas accent of yours. Totally.
Yeah, you can't buy this in Boston.
No, you can't. There's no doubt.
Thank you so much, Tom. I really enjoy your show.
I appreciate you growling and prowling out here with us, Lloyd. Thanks so much, man.
Now, Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 9 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone had a great weekend, safe weekend. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. To begin a great relationship, know what you want. Know what the needs of your body are, what the needs of your mind are, and what fits well with you. There are millions of men and women. Some will make a good match for you, others won't. The 2 of you only need to be like a key in a lock, a match that fits. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow down 36, NASDAQ off 14, S&P's off 5, gold contract up $6.90, trading at $1,328 an ounce. Silver up 44 cents at $19.81 an ounce. Platinum up $10 at $1,440 an ounce. Copper flat at $3.10 a pound. Light sweet crude $104.44 a barrel. Bonds down 26, trading at $134.04. Dollar, King dollar is flat at 81.76. The euro's off 11 at 132, and the yen is trading at 97.85. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Just call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Well, what we have here, folks, is that we've been at the exact same place for 10 trading days now. Yeah, 10 trading days. We are at 1685.49, and that is under the May 22nd benchmark deal. We get over that for 2 days, got right back underneath it. Sideways move out here, down $6, but really that's a sideways move. Dow Industrials. Excuse me, folks. What you have with the Dow Industrials, and by the way, that is on the S&P another failure. You get over the high, you close underneath it, you have lighter volume, all of the above. What we need for conviction-wise is that as we go south, bottom line, we'll see whether we have a volume pickup. Dow Industrials, what do you have with the Dow? The Dow is under this 15,542 area. That also is the same benchmark. NASDAQ Composite, what we have with the composite is this. The composite right now got to a price point today of 36.18. That was trying to get into the high, which was established on the 18th, which is 36.24. You closed under all the highs from the until, let's see, all the highs going all the way back to the 12th of July, and we did it with lighter volume. Now, the composite, the difference in the composite, folks, is this. The composite is quite a way over the May 22nd time frame, which is 35.32, so it's $60 over it. So when you get a failure like this, say, okay, now you're going to go make a run down to that area. We'll see whether we get any juice on the way down. If we take a look at the SPY, the SPY, so you can see those correlations, how they come in. What you have with the SPY out here today is that the SPY got to 169.06. Try to get into the highs of Friday, couldn't handle it. Dramatically lighter volume, by the way. 75 million shares versus that 244 versus 112. Now, NDX 100, what you have with the NDX 100 is this. The 3Qs, 19 million shares. That was versus the 20 million versus 47 million and 59 million. There's no juice to get this baby up there. The 3Qs right now are at 75.23. Got over the 74.95. Is still over that 74.95. So the 74.95 on the NDX 100 is the benchmark. And that's so the NDX 100, folks, is trading differently than the actual NASDAQ composite. The composite got quite a way over the May 22nd number, where the NDX 100 did not. We take a look at the gold contract. We have a gold out here is this. Gold, we are building cars, folks, to get up into, I suspect, that 1385 level. Right now we're at 1328. Another sideways move out here. Friday, gold acted really sweet. You know, bottom line is that you were going sideways, but bottom line, you were pushing into that last swing point up there of the 1348 with some juice behind the move. We take a look at the bond market. We'll start with the 30-year bond. And what we have with the bond market is this. We did 193,000 contracts out here today. She comes back 21 ticks. That is going into 352,000. So bottom line is that bonds still want to go higher in price, lower in yield. King Dollar. What do you have with King Dollar? Well, King Dollar, folks, is just one beautiful Tiger Gartley setup. You took out the B point, did it with lighter volume. You're coming into a breakout area that has lighter volume. Now the bottom line is that it just needs some price going. HLF. Let's see what we got with Herbalife out here. Herbalife closed out at 60.57 today. She is trading at 62.31. No big deal there. Let's see what they have to say, because, of course, with Herbalife, folks, okay, it's the big war between two hedge funds. So net sales was $1.22 billion. The net sales is up 18%. A big number, no doubt about that. They're going to do a 30-cent dividend. If we take a look at this right here, so we got up $1.50. We'll put this back a little. Yeah, she's still coming into this vicious downdraft. There's a downdraft she's coming into with no volume whatsoever. When this thing got taken apart, folks, it got taken apart at $71. So it was from 71 to 45, and I believe that was in a day, actually. Well, for sure in a week. So Herbalife is going to need a lot more than, maybe it's than 2 points in order to get to higher price. Yeah, well, she's still up a point. 877-927-6648. Let's go take a look at, we had Bank of America down 21 cents. You had Advanced Micro flat. Microsoft off 8. We had Cisco Systems down 16. Big Blue still having a tough time out here. She was down $1.14, 196.21. The longer that Big Blue hangs out at the lower end of that consolidation, the bigger the problem is. You had Exxon down 76 cents. Citigroup was off 57. Oxy was down 27. J.P. Morgan Chase off 36. We had Intel down 2. Amazon down 5.91. Let's go over and take a look at Amazon. Amazon had gone topside in a huge way on Friday. It's interesting. It's going to come right back inside the range. So she came back inside the range again. Friday, what you had is this. We got to 13.42. She comes back today, hits the 13.13, rejects that higher price. We'll see if there's any juice on the way back down. Walmart. We take a look at Walmart. We have Walmart. She's trading out at $77.99. And let's see what we have here. So August 15th, it's hard to believe we're coming into August, folks. August 15th, the numbers are coming out on Walmart. And, Walmart, when Walmart folks got over the September, when it got over the 60, it's amazing, actually. So we're at $77.95. When she launched getting into the $69 to $70 area, that's where Walmart basically just lost all its volume. So we'll see if, in fact, they can stay over that. When you're over that price, you're over there in price. Let's go to Scott in Bradenton. Hey, Scott, what's going on?
How you doing, Tom? Just want to say, first of all, I love your energy and your passion for life.
Thanks, man. Appreciate you growling and prowling with us out here.
Yes, love listening to you. And what I'm looking at is I'm already in it, OESX.
Let's take a look at it. It's Orion Energy System. They design, manufacture energy management systems. The low is $1.12. The high is $3.69. That high was out there today. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so they take in like $25 million a quarter. So you got a little rocket ship here. So tell me what you're going to do here.
Well, I've had it, got a nice profit, but I'm learning this, so my thought was, am I looking at the 494 as where it's headed towards as a swing point there? Okay.
So what you have, folks, is that this, last week in today, actually, went wide price spread, accelerated volume. And so your next swing point's 494. Yeah, that's game. That is game. Now, what you want to do here, Scott, is bring your stops way up, all right?
Right.
Don't give this a lot of room because, see, in a normal retracement, when you get an equity that just moved from $2 to $3.50 in all of 2 weeks, that baby can pull back just as quick. Hey, you stay right there. Stay right there. We'll come right back. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll come right back.